Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I just got out of the ocean and my Sea-Doo is full of salt. Today I'm using a new product to flush out the engine and also to wash the salt off the ski. And I figured I'd give it a try because it's a 2-in-1 type of thing where you can flush the ski and then wash it without doing all of this other unplug this and replug that. So let me show you what it is. So I'm kind of going out with the old. I just used to plug my hose into that and then use this guy right here. I'm sure you've all been using this before or familiar with it. And I'm going with a musket. Yes, a musket. What is a musket? Let me show you what it is. All right, so here's the musket. Kind of looks like a musket, doesn't it? So I've kind of already got it all set up. I'm going to show you some of the pieces and parts and everything. So it's already got itself set up, ready to go. We're going to see how this thing works today. So let's check it out. So here's the musket, if you will. And it already has the quick connect on there, which I put on there. It's got a quick connect right here as well, which I put on there too. And then you have your control handle. So this is off and it clicks to water. It goes right to your solution. So it looks pretty simple. And we're gonna try it out. It has a couple of other things with it too, a couple of washing wands, if you will. And again, quick connect. And another type of wand, which we'll try out today. And another quick connect. And we're gonna give it a shot, see how it goes. And by the way, I'm not sponsored by this company, the Salty Captain. Nope, I just happened to see it. I've been seeing it, so I finally went click, I got it. So I wanted to check it out and see what it's all about. So maybe some of you have seen this already. If you're like, if me like you like me, we see all kinds of ads that kind of relate to what we do on the water. So you might have already seen something like this. If you already have it, let me know. Put a comment in the box down below. Let me know if you've actually used it. So if you haven't and you have seen it, I'm gonna test it out and see what it does. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so I've got my hose here and this has the quick connect right to it. So I'm gonna get that set up, ready to go. And then right here, I've got my quick connect ready to go to flush out, to do my flushing. So this has got a quick connect right here. So let's check this out real fast. Huh, look at that. It's ready to go. And then when you're done, just unconnect it, and then you'll be ready to add one of your tools here to start washing. How cool is that? Got a little leakage here. This is just my own connection, so just got to make sure those things are super tight. Okay, so with my quick connect, there was some issue, it just wasn't working, so I don't know. Maybe I'll get a new quick connect. So anyway, so I just went straight into the gun. And so I already tested it. It's working. Oh, did you see that? So yeah, it's working. Let's get it in there. All right, locked and loaded. Let's go. Let's turn the ski on. All right, we're gonna push it all the way forward. All right, moving it to water. So far, so good. All right, time to shut it off. All right, ski's flushed out. That's simple. So once I hooked the hose directly to the musket, it worked out great. Must have been just my quick connect wasn't quickly connecting or something. All right, so far so good. Let's go ahead and get the ski washed. All right, water is off, lever is all the way back. And we used up all the detergent, so that's good. Let's go ahead and quick unconnect. Okay, easy. Let's wash the ski. All right, we'll try this one. Quick connect. There we go. Let's try that. That looks good. Let's use this one. I like that one, so I'm gonna keep this one on, and then let's add our soap. Here we go. Wow, look at that, very nice. Oh, that is so much better. We can get every single nook and cranny. Look at that. All right, so we'll let the suds sit just for a few moments and let's get it rinsed. Here we go. All right, so all I'm gonna do now is just push this to the middle and we'll rinse. Here we go. All right, that was pretty simple. So I do like the musket style where we basically just have it on the off position. Straight up is the water, and then there's the soap. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this with the quick connect. That was quick. And we'll put this nozzle on. We'll see how this one goes. Let's try it. Quick connect, that was quick. I'm ready. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so we got some power. Okay, look at that. I like it. Okay, not bad. So far, so good, right? Now that nozzle can turn a little bit to get a little bit of a spray. Let's see what that does. On. Let's turn this a little bit. All right, you see how that kind of fanned out a little bit? Yeah, so when you turn here, you get a little bit more softer spray. And then pinpoint. All right, not bad. Let's go ahead and turn that off. That was easy. All right, so that is my review. I actually like it. I like the lever right here where you just put it to soap water and off in just one shot. And then the quick connect here. And for whatever reason, my quick connect did not work there too well. So I like it. And I'm gonna continue to use it. So it is Oceanside Guy approved. If you end up getting one, let me know. This is no promotional video. This is something I just decided to do on my own because I purchased it. I figured some of you guys might see it out there and go, is this the next whatever? So part of these videos is kind of help me help you, and especially if it's your first time, just like me. All right guys, so if this video helped, let me know. Please give me some feedback. Go ahead and like this video and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button as well too, so that you'll get some more up and coming amazing content coming your way, I promise. So remember, make today your best day because tomorrow just isn't promised. Until next time, I'll see you on the water.